I want to talk about my Himalayan pink sea salt serving tray and block. I got this a couple years ago and I've used it a few times. I'm a big fan of it so far. It's got a lot of uses. You can use it as simply a cutting board. You can use it as a display piece. You can put it in the oven and warm it up. Today I made a carpaccio. I've done this a few times and I like to use this as a display for my carpaccio. Now, not only does it look cool, it's a great presentation piece, but it infuses flavor. The Himalayan sea salt on the bottom really does jazz up the saltiness of whatever you put on it. I've used this on the grill, I've used it in the oven. It's a really cool looking piece. It cleans up easy as well. The salt, you don't put any soap or anything on it, you just rinse it off and let it dry, and it's good to go for next time. If you'd like to try for yourself, please click on the link in the description below.